Here is a bonus technique for you. Not especially about foliage, but certainly one that is useful for contemporary floral work. I know it is spiderwebbing, but you may have also heard it called duckfoot, which is where you use the same technique to make a freestanding structure or support. You will need an uneven number of stub wires. I've used 9, and some bindwire. If you have trouble bending stub wires, you'll also need some long or needle nose pliers. Bundle the stub wires together and fasten with bindwire in the centre of the bundle length. Wind the bindwire around the stub wire bundle, heading towards one end of the bundle. Continue along the bundle, stopping when you have about 1 finger length of stub wires remaining. Don't tie off the bindwire. Bend each stub wire to 90 degrees from the bundle. It's important at this point to ensure that none of the stub wires cross each other where they have been bent out of the bundle. Position the bundle so that you can easily work on the bent stub wire section. Starting with the stub wire closest to your bind wire, begin an over-under weave as close as possible to the centre of the stub wire bundle. The first row should look like this. Continue weaving with the bind wire until you have enough surface to cover the opening of the container you're using. Place the woven bundle against your container. Bend the remaining sections of the stub wires down over the container. Continue with the over-under weaving, making sure the wires remain close to the container. When all the stub wires are incorporated into the weave, tie off the bind wire. You should be able to pick up the complete unit from the uncovered stub wires at the top. Now these uncovered stub wires can be bent to various angles so that plant material can be attached. A more open weave can make the top section into an actual spider web to which plant material can be added. A variation of this technique, called duckfoot, makes freestanding structures for supporting designs. I know you'll find many ways to use these techniques in your floral designs. Let me know how you go. I'd love to see some of your efforts. I'm Kim Bailey.